Alright, Chris from Funneltopia here. A cool feature update I want to show you. This is actually one of my favorites as of recently. It's related to invoices, and those are invoice reminders. And you can set up all kinds of email and SMS reminders for the invoices that have been sent out. So the way this looks is you go to under Payments, Invoices, and over here under Settings, and then you go to Reminder Settings over here, and you can set up multiple reminders. Right? So once the invoice has been sent out, you can see here email. You can choose from email templates. You can choose from SMS templates, right? That you've previously set up. You can preview them. You can edit them over here. And essentially this saves you a lot of manual work and people falling through the cracks. It just kind of, you don't have to take a look, oh, these people haven't paid, and you have to write them emails or, call them, message them, whatever. This makes it easier. This sends out reminders, let's say, every 3 days or whatever. There's you can add another one, and there's a lot of cool kind of criteria to make it flexible. This is really good. This will save you a lot of time, and people are busy, people get distracted, whatever, they forget. And this is one really easy and simple way to remind people who haven't paid your invoice to do so, right? So this is just as easy as it gets once you set it up. It's just there. So less people falling through the cracks. So again, it's under Payments, Invoices, and then the settings icon, which let's go back over here. The settings icon is, let's click on back over here, this one, right? And then reminder settings. So make sure to go check that out. Definitely use this feature. I think it's like I said before, it's one of the best features as of recently. If you have any questions about this, although it's pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, let us know. 24/7 chat support. Anything else Funneltopia related, obviously you can message us as well, as usual over here. Make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.